This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Hulu app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so just follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna show you three solutions. So the first one is go to the Google Play Store. And then from here guys, just search for Hulu. And then over here, just tap on it. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. So guys, you have to make sure you are running the latest version of the application in order for you to fix this issue. But guys, if that doesn't work, let's go ahead and go to the second solution. So first, go to the settings. And then after that, guys, just go to the apps. And then here on the apps, just find Hulu. Just tap on it. And then from here, guys, just tap on the storage. And after that, make sure to clear cache and also clear data and tap on OK. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your application. And guys, if that doesn't work, let's go to the third solution is reinstall the application. So first, uninstall the app, click on OK. And then from here, once it is uninstalled on your device, just go back to the Google Play Store and install Hulu again. And then from there, you will be able to fix your Hulu application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!